This patient, let's call her Old Nan. This 97-year-old's ears are hiding so much dry keratin. Let's jump straight in and find out exactly what's there. Zollner in, attach to the surface of the wax and look at the super long ream of keratin. It almost looks like an accordion, with lots of stretchiness in the tethering keratin layer. It's fascinating to see. The outermost piece breaks off, it's dry and it's pretty dark for wax that's only been in there for about a year. Suction locks on and the tugging begins with some blanketing, and we have a break-off point. Hooray! Back in and look at that. It's huge, it's dry, it's flat, and here is its fashion show lineup. Hard, dry keratin is really typical of something I see in this age group. We just start producing more drier skin overall at this age. Remnants now, 1 straight into the tube, 2 some clear mother of pearl keratin pulls. Although I'm allowing this to peel, I'm doing it in a very controlled manner as I don't want to make this delicate skin sore. I pull and then flip back so it gathers in one place to stop it becoming the never-ending pull, and this stops it from pulling away any further. Back in after some oiling, and I finally get a break on this area as it breaks off. And here's the shot of the eardrum. Still some pieces very close to the tympanic membrane, but Old Nan had had enough on this side. Onto the left side now, oiled ear, and again you can see that interesting stretchy type of keratin which comes away and then springs back into shape. Pulling, but nothing is really coming off, and I'm getting some raw pink skin revealing underneath, which is not what I want, so I retreat. Exactly the same thing where it is getting sucked into the tube in a very long tubular shape and then remains that way. Much longer on this side though compared to the other side, and it finally breaks off. And here comes the humongous pieces of keratin, sheets of these, lighter and more golden in colour, and again the suction tip is holding onto the surface very weakly and part of it breaks off. Now as I go back in and suction the little accordion wannabe at the bottom, you can see there are some areas of pink skin at the top from the previous skin pulls, so I'm keeping the suction probe away from that. Some final precision work here, and here is what was underneath all of the layers of keratin, clear and happy, and that pink area will actually heal over as it's something that happens quite regularly with people of this age group. And I will see you in the next one. Now, let me show you a very different case.